Hello everyone, welcome to today's session on stress management. I am Isaac, your student anchor, and I'll be hosting this session. Joining me today here is Uniki, a fellow student who has successfully managed her stress and is here to share her experience with us. Hello Uniki.
Thanks, Isaac. Hi, everyone.
So Uniki, let's dive right in. Let's dive right in. What are some common stressors you face as a student, and what did you do to manage them?
For me, it was mostly about academic pressure and managing my time between school, extracurriculars and personal activities. I realized that exercise and meditations really help me cope with stress. I also make sure to prioritize my tasks and break them down into smaller, manageable chunks.
That's really helpful advice. So after that, mindfulness can really be effective for stress management. Can you tell us more how about the practice mindfulness?
Yeah, sure. I try to set aside some time each day to focus on my breath and be present in the moment. It was not always easy, but it helped me to stay calm and focused. There are useful apps like Headscape and Calm to guide me through meditation sessions.
That's great. Now let's open the floor for questions. Does anyone have a question for me about stress management?
Yeah, I do, Uniki. How do you balance schoolwork and extracurricular activities without getting too stressed?
That's a great question. For me, it's all about prioritization and time management. I make sure to schedule time for both schoolwork and extracurriculars. I try to stick my schedule as much as possible. I also make time for relaxation and self-care. It gives me a recharge.
That's a really great advice. Any other questions?
Yeah, I have a question. What do you do when you're feeling overwhelmed and stressed and you don't know where to start?
When I'm feeling I take a step back and try to prioritize my tasks. I ask myself what is the most important thing I need to do now, and I focus on that task first. I also remind myself that it's okay to ask other people when I need, whether it's a teacher, a friend, or a family member. Don't be afraid to reach out for support.
Thanks, Yunki, for sharing your insights with us. I think we've all learned some very good tips on managing stress. Before we wrap up, is there anything you'd like to add?
Just remember that managing stress is a process, and it's okay to take things one step at a time. Don't be too hard on yourself, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it.
Thank you, Yunki. That was a great advice. And thank you to everyone for participating in today's session. I hope you find it helpful.